In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create template tasks in ClickUp. If you want to save time and keep your workflow consistent, task templates are a simple, powerful way to standardize recurring work without reinventing the wheel each time. Start by opening any task you want to base your template on. This should be a solid example of the process you repeat often, like a client onboarding task or a weekly content checklist. With the task open, look to the upper right corner and click the ellipses, the three dots that open the task menu. From there, choose Templates, then select Save as Template. This is your starting point for turning that task into a reusable blueprint. You'll see the Save as New Template window. Give your template a clear descriptive name so teammates instantly recognize it. Add a short description to explain when and how to use it. Think of it as a quick guide for future you or anyone on your team. Set the sharing settings to control visibility. Choose all members if you want your whole workspace to use it, only me if it's personal, or specific people for curated access. A quick tip: keep personal drafts private until they're finalized, then open them up for your team. Next, decide what to include with the template. If you pick Import Everything, ClickUp will capture all task details, including subtasks, checklists, custom fields, assignees, tags, and descriptions. This is best when your process is highly repeatable. If you choose to customize included items, you can be selective. Maybe you keep the subtasks and description, but leave out assignees so you can assign fresh each time. This helps prevent accidental carryover of dates or owners while still preserving structure. Before you save, consider the key template elements. Subtasks let you bundle a predefined set of smaller steps, each with its own details or owners, which is perfect for multi-stage workflows. Checklists are great for quick, repeatable action items that don't need full subtasks. Descriptions and tags help you pre-fill context and categorization so everything is searchable and organized from the start. And custom fields ensure consistent data capture across tasks, which is essential for reporting and dashboards. When you're happy with your choices, click Save Template in the lower right corner. That's it, your template is ready. The next time you create similar work, you can apply this template to move faster with confidence. By the way, I've placed the ClickUp download link and the website link right at the top of the description so you can access it easily on desktop, web, or mobile. Thanks for watching.